Hello there, I want you to take a look at this. $92.40 straight to PayPal. I'm going to show you on this video how to get free PayPal money. Yes, free PayPal money. A lot of people are doing this around the world and they're making money just like this every single day. And you can do that too. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can make this type of PayPal payments on a daily basis with this 100% free and worldwide method. But first, a disclaimer. Results are not typical. Not all of you are going to get this type of payments. Not all of you are going to get the same results, okay? You may only get $26 or maybe only $35 using this method. But if you watch this video all the way to the end, you will have a higher chance of earning these type of results that you are seeing right here. Make sure to watch every second of this video because I'm going to show you how to instantly get $5 of free PayPal money in the next 10 minutes. Also, exactly how you can earn $100 up to $150 every single day in PayPal cash. How to make sure you have a consistent daily income coming in. So keep watching and don't skip ahead because you might miss important information on this video. But before we start, if you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel, Wow Money. We post pure valuable content consistently every week to help you make money online and become 100% financially free from home. And turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Also, if you want to learn how you can make up to $500 every single day, you might want to check our website wowmoney.net, where you can find more details and information about how you can make money online and how you can create passive income streams on the internet. Alright, now let's jump into this video. In order to make free PayPal money, you have to go to one of the best websites out there for earning cash online, and that site is Point Club. You can see right here, this little illustration is holding the PayPal card, so you are sure that you are getting paid with PayPal. Now it's really easy to register and join this website. All you have to do is sign in with an already existing Google account, or you can use your Facebook account if you want. And if you don't have either one of those, you can just simply use your email address, type in a password, and just confirm that you are not a robot. Then you guys will be ready to make some cash online starting from now. Now once you get access to the dashboard inside of the website, you are going to be given missions. It's very important for you to complete one mission in order to go to the next one. Okay, so I've already signed up. Now as you can see here, I already have 3,000 approved points that I can later redeem for PayPal money. And these points, I have made them by completing missions and tasks that the website offered me. The thing is, you want to go and click on missions right here. And as I said, you have to complete missions in order to receive new ones. I already finished a mission earlier and now the website is still looking for missions for me to complete. As you can see here, it is empty for now because I have already done them. But later, I will receive a notification saying that a new mission has been added to my account. But right here, you can find some bonuses that you can receive. For example, I can take this survey right here to get 5,000 points, which is really cool, right? So let's click on it. And here, as you can see, we are in the surveys page. And we have this mascot that will be helping us throughout our mission, so that we don't do any mistakes or anything like that. That's pretty awesome because not only the website is paying you to do the surveys, but is also helping you to take them. Now I can start answering questions. When you guys answer the questions on the mission, it's very important that you take your time. Do not go through them too quickly. Make sure you are honest with your answers because if not, the system will detect that you might be some sort of robot. You might get disqualified from the test. Or they might even ban your account. So you definitely don't want that to happen, right? And for each mission you complete, you will be earning numbers of points right on this website that you can later cash in for PayPal money. And right here you can see the progression bar. So you always know if you are almost done with your mission, which is cool. Alright, let's take this mission here. They're asking about my education and my employment. Let's give them an answer here. So I have a bachelor degree and I am self-employed. And then as you can see, we have more and more questions. So let me answer them and I will get back to you at the end of the survey. Alright guys, so now I have completed my survey. As you can see here, I have received my bonus points in my account and that's awesome. Now these points, I can redeem them to my PayPal money and cash it out, and that is great. Alright, so one of the great things that I like about this website is the variety of different things to do. You're not just stuck on doing missions or surveys. Look over here on the offer board. You can see that there's different offers you guys can fill out. So you can be something you can do too to earn money. For example, it's as simple as filling in your email address and then you guys can earn points. Or there are even offers that pay you up to 9,000 points for just doing stuff like subscribing to a newsletter, etc. I mean, you can earn a few bucks for just signing up to a website, you guys. And if you repeat this over and over again, you guys can quickly rack up those points inside your account and you can cash them out as soon as possible. There are also mobile apps that you can just download now. For me, I like to go on the desktop and do things. It seems more easy. There are also different surveys, more surveys separated from the main site surveys. If you want to go ahead and dive into those and take a little bit of your time and make some extra money. Another great thing is the ad wall and the videos. Let me show you that. So you go ahead and click on add wall and that will take you over here where you guys can earn money doing a variety of different things like watching videos, doing some more surveys. You can earn money shopping or doing free trials right online. You can also sign up for different websites and you will be paid for doing that. And so what I really like to do is the video section because I can just sit back and watch videos and earn points. Now this website is pretty cool because it gives you the opportunity to literally make money just doing nothing. You will be making money for answering a couple of questions, for installing apps, for watching videos. Nothing big, nothing hard, right? And what's also great is that it's 100% free. You don't even have to pay anything to use this website. So you are literally making money for doing very easy things. Even a first grader can do this. Like download an app, sign up for a website, watch a video. I mean, who doesn't want to sit on his butt and watch videos and just make money? So using this method, you can earn from 30 to 50 US dollars every single day. That's about 1,500 US dollars a month from doing nothing. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We help you make money online and quit your 9-to-5 job to make a full-time income from home. Also, check our website, wowmoney.net. It's in the description box. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next video.